on Piano 1, lesson number 12. Today we're going to look at G major and we're going to learn about key signature. Key signature is different from accidentals. Accidentals work just for one measure. Key signature works for the entire piece. We're going to learn about F sharp, which is the key signature of G major. For the treble clef, we always have to put this F sharp here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth line. Here we have to show in the beginning F sharp key signature and put it here. For the bass clef, it's going to be on the fourth line, F sharp here. What it really means, if we see that we have a key signature F sharp, every time we see an F in a piece, we have to play it sharp unless there's a natural sign. We're also learning new notes and the G 5-finger position. So we're starting with the treble clef, we're starting with the G, which we already know. We also know A, so we know these two notes, G, A. Now this is B, which is the third line, and then C. That's not the middle C, that's one C above middle C. Okay, it's a higher C. Here it's the third space, and then D, line 4. So G, A, B, C, D for the right hand, and the fingering will be 1 on G, 2 on A, third finger on B, fourth finger on C, and fifth finger on D. Now for the bass clef, we have G, which we already know. We also know A. We know these two notes. Now this is B above the fifth line, and then C, and by the way, that's the middle C. The middle C will be now in the left hand, okay, and this is D. And the fingering will be 5 on G, 4 on A, third finger on B, second finger on C, and first finger on D. Now we're looking in our Bastian books at page 32. It says G major 5-finger position, and it also explains the F sharp key signature. So here we have G, A, B, C, D in the bass clef and G, A, B, C, D in the treble clef. We are going to try these exercises on pages 32 and 33. So we're starting with warm-up exercise on page 32. If you look, we have treble clef, bass clef, remember the brace that connects two staves. And then before the time signature, we have the key signature, F sharp here. So treble clef, bass clef, key signature, and then time signature. So this exercise starts with the right hand part, and it's in 5-finger G position. So the notes are G, A, B, C, D, 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 C, B, A, G. And then the next system, that's bass clef, left hand part, the notes are G, A, B, C, D, 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 C, B, A, G. Let's play this now. So our hand position will be like this. So right hand, first finger on G, second finger on A, third finger on B, fourth finger on C, and fifth finger on D. And then left hand, fifth finger on G, fourth finger on A, third finger on B, second finger on C, which is the middle C, and first finger on D. Now we're going to play the warm-up exercise. So starting with the right hand. G, A, B, C, D, 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 C, B, A, G, 2, 3. Now left hand and G, A, B, C, D, 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 C, on page 33, we're looking at this exercise, March. So again, we have treble clef, bass clef, F sharp, key signature, 4/4, time signature. The notes are treble clef first, G, A, B, A, G, A, B, C, D, and then bass clef, left hand part, D, B, C, A, D, C, B, A, G. And now we're gonna clap the rhythm of this piece. So because we have 8 notes, we're gonna count 1 and 2 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. G, A, B, A, G, A, B, C, D, and 4. Left hand, D, B, C, A, D, C, B, A, G, and 4, and lift. Now we're looking at this piece, waltz, on page 33. Again, G major, treble clef, bass clef, F sharp, key signature, and now 3/4, time signature. It starts with an upbeat. It also has 8 notes. The notes are, so starting with the bass clef, B, C, D, B, 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 A. And then it goes to the treble clef, right hand part, A, B, C, A, G. Let's clap the rhythm. So I'm gonna say 1 and 2 it, and then 3, we start clapping. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Now right hand, A, B, C, and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and lift. And let's look at one more piece here on page 33, promenade. So we have treble clef, bass clef, again F sharp, key signature, and 4/4, time signature. Starting with the treble clef right hand, the notes are D, B, C, B, A, and then bass clef, B, C, D, D, B, C, B, A, and treble clef, A, D, G. Time signature is 4/4. Let's clap the rhythm. So again, we have 8 notes here, so we're gonna count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 D, B, C, B, A, left hand, B, C, 3 and 4 and D, B, C, B, A, and right hand, A, D, G, and 4 and lift. And this concludes lesson number 12.